Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. It's November 1st, the first day of a new month. Don't forget to get your discounted Halloween candy. Could be some good deals. All right, last night was Friday, so I made a Friday night pasta. Oh, it was really good. Big chunks of stuff, just real simple. It had fresh basil and onions and Italian sausage, and yeah, then dusted with Parmesan. It was really good. The ingredient list will be posted in the group. So today I'm doing a very simple pork stir fry. This is one of mine. I changed the recipe just a bit. I didn't necessarily, not that I didn't like it, but I wanted a different sauce to go with this stir fry. Let's get to it. So today is a wok day. The champion is out. We got some pork. This is the country ribs that I always talk about. Onion, a little bit of red bell pepper, some bok choy, not as much as you're seeing here, but some. I'll be utilizing the green parts. Some tomato and some green onion for garnish. Some oil for the wok. It is garlic day. Got the good old Christopher Ranch whole peeled garlic. And the sauce, I'm going to one of my favorites, the honey sesame sauce from Panda Express. And I'll be serving that with long grain white rice. Like I said, real simple stir fry. It is the end of the, well, it technically was the end of the month when I was making this menu. Had the pork in the freezer, and vegetables are fairly inexpensive. Unfortunately, Winco's produce department is being remodeled, so all the cold items, are not available. So this week's shopping, which I'm doing on Monday, I haven't decided where I'm going to be buying produce. All right. So on a personal note, I'm going to be taking a few days easy when it comes to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I have some projects I really need to get done. Some are related to Casual Chef, some are not. So hopefully the moderators are going to step up a little bit and help out. There's not going to be demos. There's not going to be, things of that nature. I will continue to post throughout the day because a lot of that gets scheduled. So it's just I got to do it. I'm busy. So on this first day of November, by the way, did you like my Halloween costume in the demo last night? That's some old desert camis from my era when I was Desert Shield, Desert Storm. But they made me look thin, really thin. Wow. So yeah, all right, enough. Have a great day. Oh, by the way, it's time change. Yes, tonight is the official time change. So fall back. So we go back an hour. Technically, we gain an hour sleep. Yeah, we'll see. So don't forget, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.